Students, in the first part of the video, we have discussed about what a noun is. In this video, we will discuss about singular noun and plural noun one by one in detail. So let's start from the singular noun. Students, what is a singular noun? The definition of singular noun is when a noun refers to only one thing or person, it is said to be singular in number. For example, this is a lovely dish. My favorite toy is aeroplane. In the above examples, dish and toy are singular nouns. Why so? Because they refer to only one thing. Now students, let's talk about the plural noun. What is a plural noun? The definition of plural noun is when a noun refers to more than one thing or person is said to be plural in number. For example, I have 2 pens. Sita has carried many books. In the above examples, pens and books are plural nouns. Why so? Because they refer to more than one thing. Now students, let's talk about changing the number from singular to plural. Rule number first is, for some nouns we add s to the singular noun to form the plural noun. For example, plant, plants, hat, hats, kite, kites. Students, in these examples, we add s to the singular noun to form the plural noun. Now the rule number second. To form the plural of nouns ending in sh, ch, s, ss or x, we add es to the singular noun. For example, dish, dishes, branch, branches, lotus, lotus, glass, glasses, box, boxes. Students, we can see sh, ch, s, ss and x at the end of the singular nouns. So when we have to make the plural of these singular nouns, we add es at the each singular nouns. Now the rule number third. If the singular nouns end in y and there is consonant before it, then the y is removed and ies is added to the noun to form its plural form. For example, baby, babies, pony, ponies. Students, you can see the y at the end of the baby noun and y at the end of pony noun. So y is removed and ies is added to the noun to form the plural form of the singular noun. Now let's talk about the rule number 4. If the singular noun ends in y and there is a vowel before it, then the s is simply added to the noun to form its plural form. For example, toy, toys, chimney, chimneys. Students, you can see that The singular noun toy is end with the Y word and there is a vowel before it. So we have added S to the noun to form its plural form. Next example, chimney. Students, you can see E vowel before the Y word. So we have added S at the end of the chimney to make the plural form. Now the rule number 5. If the singular noun ends in F or FE, then the F or FE is removed and VES is added to the noun to form its plural form. For example, shelf, shelves, knife, knives. Students, you can see F and FE at the end of the singular noun. So, F and FE is removed and VES and VES is added to the noun to form its plural form.